Hi, I'm Romilly, the author of an open source tool called Video Transcriber. Have you ever recorded a presentation or lecture and wished you could easily extract the slides and get a transcript? If you're trying to learn from videos, it's a problem. Most of us read faster than presenters talk, and transcribing by hand is slow and boring and error-prone. Video Transcriber is a Python tool that does transcription automatically. It extracts slide images from video, it transcribes the audio using AI, and then it creates a markdown file with the images in a neat portable zip file. The tool works in 4 stages. It scans the video and uses perceptual hashing to detect when slides change. It extracts the audio track, and then it runs Whisper locally to transcribe what's being said. Finally, it merges everything together, matching audio to the right slides. And it's really easy to use. You need to import the transcribe video function, then run it specifying the file you want to transcribe and the directory where you want to put the output, and you'll get back a path to the zip file. If you want to know more, you can find the project on GitHub, or you can contact me on LinkedIn.